What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 20th of May on the East Coast. We are taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance. Guys, what a day for the cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin continues its uptrend. We have another higher high here, or I should say we have a higher high finally for Aerodrome Finance. Ticker symbol AERO. USD. This is the Coinbase price data. This is a daily chart. Welcome all of the new subscribers. Guys, markets are heading higher. We had a huge day in Bitcoin today. This day here is, let's see what we closed up today for Bitcoin. Guys, 7.8%, $5,100 Bitcoin to the upside. We almost hit the all-time highs. We are right at resistance. We hit the target perfectly. 71,335. We are trading right there. Back to Aerodrome. We might touch base with Bitcoin once again, but let's talk about Aerodrome here and higher price targets. Guys, higher price targets are coming for Aerodrome. Been talking about it for a while. This morning's video got a lot of hate, but I mentioned both scenarios. I mentioned undercutting our major lows. I also talked about printing a higher high. What took place today? We had a higher high. We have a higher low. We have a higher high. Our major low, our lower high, our higher low, our lower high, our higher low, and then today printed our higher high. We have confirmation that the Aerodrome chart is back in an uptrend, which means higher prices, at least for now. It could be short term, but judging by what Bitcoin is doing, Aerodrome is going to be heading higher and follow suit of what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin had a massive day. We have not seen a day like that in a very long time. And this tells us that we will be hitting our upper targets for Aerodrome. We should be on our way right up to $1.28, maybe even tonight or tomorrow. Time will tell. That's our first area of resistance, $1.28. That's where the market topped out over here on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of May. Once we found support at 85, we traded up to 28. That is our next level to keep an eye on. I really think we are going to find ourselves pretty quickly up here between $1.53 and $1.56. I've been talking about that for a while, but 128 should be a very easy target to hit. We just want to break out above it. So we might find resistance there for maybe a day or maybe even a couple hours. And then I think it's actually going to flip that into a support area. So it was once resistance, and I think the price is going to break above it. Maybe we back test it or even close below it, and then it'll turn it into a area of support. So old areas of resistance, like what we saw over here on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th, get flipped into areas of support, and that's what we're looking forward to here for this Aerodrome chart. So definitely got a lot of hate in this morning's video. Went a little extreme on the thumbnail and the title. I understand it, but it was a joke on the haters who hate on Aerodrome, and I don't understand why. I mean, I guess I do understand why. Markets don't go straight up every single day, guys. And if they do, it's not sustainable. When you get a move like this in Aerodrome, for example, since we're looking at the chart, where you have 20, 40, 15% days back to back, look what the market does after that. It consolidates. Those moves like that are not sustainable. At least not all at once. Markets have to ebb and flow, yin and yang. They can't be out of whack. They can't be out of balance. Things have to be balanced. Consolidations lead to breakouts, which lead to consolidations. no matter which way the trend is going. So we have confirmation, guys. It's exciting times here for Aerodrome. I want to thank all of the new subscribers, most of them coming from most of you guys coming from the Aerodrome videos. This is exciting times. I hope all you guys do very well, and whatever your goals are, I hope you exceed them, because right now this thing is getting ready to go higher in price. And here is my targets once again before we wrap this video up here. 126, 136 for starters, 128, excuse me. 153, 156 should be a no problem. Short-term resistance at 128 might be possible, but I think it's going to be a very strong area that price breaks out. Over here, where we had all this support from the top, so in the mid to end of April, that was an area of support that got broken. So we'll see if it can be broken once again. It could be a little bit of a turbulent area right in there. And then, of course, things start to get very exciting when you find yourself back up at the 186 and so on. So let's see some follow through here. Let's get some more confirmation to the upside tonight. What do you say? That's what I will be looking for. I got to figure out how to go live here, and I can chat with all of the subscribers while we watch the markets trade. We can look at different charts. If you're interested in that, let me know, and I will get that figured out. It would be nice to do a live show in the evenings where we can chat and, again, check out different charts, etc. So let me know what you think about that, and I'll definitely get it figured out, hopefully in the weeks ahead. So that's the Aerodrome chart, guys, up a good old 17% today. What a beautiful, beautiful day to see. I had a feeling it was coming here. Big breakout, small consolidation, big breakout. Let's see how it plays out overnight. Let's drop over to the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin, man, what a day. Big breakout. Bitcoin broke out and got very bullish on this day, and we are finding ourselves many thousands of points higher from that initial area. So Bitcoin's at a very critical area here, guys. This is essentially where the market topped out before, right around this 71,335 area. We did actually hit the 73,000 resistance, the targets, but hey, we're going to see Bitcoin heading up into the 80,000s, no problem. I have a target for Bitcoin way up here at $130,000 USD. So, hey, I hope that happens. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Drop your thoughts, drop whatever you would like down in the comments. Introduce yourself, share some other projects you would like me to cover. All links down below. It does help support the channel. I appreciate it. We'll catch you guys in the morning with another video. Aerodrome. What a day. What a beautiful day. We have a change in trend to the upside. I can continue to say that and talk about it. It's exciting times. 128, next target above the market. We're at 115. You guys take care.